a great choice today with the 2020 Toyota Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid, one reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 MPG rating. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, power windows, CD player, heated steering wheel, rear window defroster, trip computer, heated front seats, electronic stability control, overhead console, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, power driver's seat, rear window wiper, driver vanity mirror. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.